God, I can't believe the clutch is slipping. I have to put in a new clutch. Well, you did say one more PSI. Have fun. I'm gonna go play Call of Duty now. Whatever, dude. What's up, guys? It's JP with Edge Autosport. You heard that right. We have to replace our clutch. Not something we weren't expecting. Just always disappointing when you get to that point and your clutch starts slipping and you have to replace your clutch. But that gives us an opportunity to learn more about the car and dig in, take the transmission out, put a new clutch in, and just have some fun with it. We did a video actually a little while ago about the Spec Stage 3 Plus clutch. This is what we're gonna put in our car. This is what I wanted for the car originally when this time came. So we're just gonna dig right in and start this job. This is a long process, but we'll definitely be rewarding once we're done. So hope you guys enjoy. Okay, the transmission is now out of the car. We actually ended up taking off the front subframe. That's kind of the more proper way to do it anyway. Some cars you can get the transmission out with the subframe still on the car. This one, we took a look at it and decided it was probably just best to take the subframe out. So spent a few more minutes doing that. We looked at it and thought, well, we're probably going to install a front sway bar anyway, so we're gonna do that as well. So now the transmission's off, it's time to just get the new clutch on, put the transmission back on, and then put the subframe on and start buttoning it up from there. So let's go ahead and do that.
3 weeks later.
So we are now about 2 or 3 weeks later than, or after we originally took the transmission out. We actually took a look at the flywheel and we just thought about it and we said, you know what, we're gonna replace the flywheel. So we didn't have one on the shelf, we had a special order one. Unfortunately, it did take a couple weeks or a few weeks to get. So we do have it in hand now. We're going to finish the install, so we're gonna get going on that. So this is the Spec steel flywheel. They actually have one in aluminum as well. But considering that this is mainly used in street environments, we did want it to maintain some level of comfort and drivability. So the steel is usually better for that. It is heavier, so it carries more inertia. Just kind of spins a little bit smoother than the aluminum. It doesn't engage so hard. So this is the one that we're gonna use on our car, and we're about to get it in. So we're gonna get going and pretty soon here have a new clutch in the car so that we can continue doing more modifications and keep putting out more power. So let's get going. there you have it. The clutch for Project FC3 is done. We took it for a test drive. Everything works great. So we're excited to be able to continue with the progress of our build, of our project, and keep putting more power down. It definitely grabs a lot nicer now. So thank you very much for watching. We'll see you on the next video.